people? It's another, I'd say, beautiful day, but it's about to rain, or it's gonna rain later, so not so beautiful. It's alright though. But I'm on my way to, well, first I'm getting a voltage car wash, like a tiny bit before it rains, just because I'm getting something installed, no, added to him. So I'm on my way to Fort Collins, and yeah, we'll see. You'll see what it is soon. So I'm super excited to show you guys. So yeah, it's gonna be super exciting. So meet him in Fort Collins. See where that's going. I noticed that the first few videos were vertical and not horizontal, and I feel kind of dumb now. Give me a break. I'm new to this, like, taking a whole video thing, but yeah, I was supposed to be in Foco like 3 minutes ago, but woke up late, so whoops. I'll be there soon though, but yeah, I'm super excited to show you guys what this is gonna be. I'm sure you guys are too. But yeah, this is gonna be my first video of hopefully many. If you guys want to see more about, like, or know more about voltage or me, let me know. Still new to this, so we'll see how this goes. Hopefully I don't do a terrible job at this, but yeah, welcome to the channel. So here's the start to a new, I wouldn't say new adventure, more like yeah, I guess newish. The car isn't that new, so for those of you guys who follow me on Instagram, you guys know the journey. This will just be videos of him and me, I guess, and at car shows and all that. So yeah, let me know if you guys want to know more about me or the car, and there'll be more videos here and out. So yeah, I'll keep you guys updated and show you what this is gonna be. Ladies and gentlemen, we have made it. We're here at Invictus Salon. There's Cam's truck. Super excited. So here we go. And yeah. Nope. We're here at Invictus. We made it. Looks like Cam's working on a few other projects. Look at that. Look at that pearl white. Change it from this to that. That white looks so good. Damn. That's so good. And there's my car. And there he is working in. But yeah, super excited to see. But yeah, it's a nice white. So yeah, the design's gonna go right here. And yeah, we'll see how that goes. Kept working on another car right now, so we'll wait a bit. And yeah, to be continued. So I ended up washing it and it didn't work because it rained when I got here. So that's cool. But here we are. That white looks so good. I like this Camaro. It's pretty nice. There's the hood, the wheels, I believe these are the 01 replicas, but yeah, pretty nice. Looks so good. So dope. Huey. This is dope. You're good. Invictus, everyone. Look at that. Check how reflective it is. And it's reflective. So, yeah. Looking for a flashlight first. Somewhere over there. Yep. But yeah. We're gonna see how reflective it is. But it looks so cool. Look at that. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Oh my god. Damn, I'm so excited about this. It's so sick. It's officially the Pikachu car. Voltage the Pikachu. Here it is. So excited. Still looking for a flashlight. Found the flashlight? Nope. Oh, that's so cool. That is so cool. Ew. That's sick. That's pretty sick. That's pretty sick. That's so dope. Yeah. So dope. Oh, that's awesome. Perfect angle right there. Yeah. Dope. Alright guys, here's the big review. It looks so good. Look at that. Yeah. I do like the little texture thing that's going on here because of the other wrap under it. But yeah, it's reflective as you saw. And yeah, Cam did such a good job at this. So happy. So thankful. Yeah, a huge thank you to Cam at Invictus Auto Salon for making this happen. And a huge thank you to the We Print Wraps. They're the ones who managed to make it and print it out. And yeah, this is so cool. I'm so excited. Yeah. But yeah. Like I said before, if you want to know more about the car or about me, follow the channel. I'm still new at this, so if I'm awkward, I apologize in advance. Don't know what I'm doing. But yeah, hope you guys love it as much as I do. I'm obsessed already. So yeah, hope you guys have a good day. And I'm just gonna be obsessing over my new design on this car because it looks so good. So excited. But yeah, look at it. Yeah, can't wait to see it at night. So yeah, until next time, you guys.